Thank you. Friends, once again, good evening to all of you, and thanks to each and every one for being here with us today. Let me call it a historic day, as today, three internationally acclaimed dignitaries who have not left any stone unturned to serve to society. Sri Sekhar Mehta ji, International President 2021-22 of Rotary International, Sri Arvinder Pal Singh, a very close, past international director of Lions International, and Mrs. Sangeeta Jatia, past international director of Lions International, are here with us today. We humbly bow down for their contribution in serving the world and wholeheartedly welcome them in this e-meeting. With this pandemic, unfun fire, increasing unemployment and worsening situation across the world, we feel that it is perfect time that we should all come together to combine our resources, synergize, and serve the society in a bigger way like never before. As standalone, we just survive, but united, we can thrive. So this panel discussion has been organized to discuss on how we can leverage each other's network strengths, best practices, and create a common pool of resources. Should we make a joint representation to government? As with United Power, they will bound to listen to us. How can we mobilize, synergize, and optimize the effort? I think we have the best moderator with us who is going to moderate all this together with the two panelists. And I would also like to thank all my committee members of Lions Club of Calcutta, Mother Teresa Sarani, District 322B2, who have thought of organizing this event. And I humbly thank all the three personas for accepting the invitation in a single call. Though these personas do not need any introduction, but still we will have them introduced as per the protocol. And I request our founder president, Ashish Jhunjhunwala, to please take the honor of introducing all the three dignitaries. Over to you, Ashish.
Thank you, Sanjeev Bhaiya. It's indeed my pleasure to introduce all the three stalwarts present today. I'll start with coveted panelist Rotarian Sekhar Mehta ji. Sekhar Mehta ji is only the fourth Indian in 115 years to be nominated as the president of Rotary International for the year 2021-22. Sekhar Mehta ji was born in 1959 in Kolkata, a keen academician. He graduated from St. Xavier's College and has the unique combination of Masters in Commerce, a qualified chartered accountant, cost accountant, and a company secretary. He leads the Skyline Group, engaged in real estate development in different parts of India, including the largest group housing in the state of Rajasthan. Sekhar Mehta joined Rotary in 1985 and served as district governor in 1999-2000 and was elevated to the board of directors of Rotary International for 2011-13. He also chairs the Rotary India Humanity Foundation. While serving as Rotary International Director, he helped Rotary add 2 countries to its fold, Bhutan and Maldives. Keenly dedicated to service, Sekhar Mehta has led many major service initiatives in India. One of such initiatives is Healing Little Hearts program. Through this, he has got done more than 2,500 heart surgeries for children across India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and African countries. He also facilitated for the program to now become a national program. His motivation skills are par excellence, which has helped raise millions of dollars for the Rotary Foundation. Sekhar Mehta is a recipient of the highest awards of Rotary International and the Rotary Foundation: Service Above Self Award, the Meritorious Service Award, and the Distinguished Service Award. Lastly, but not the least, Sekhar Mehta is the son of proud Lion parents, Lion Vallabhji Mehta and late Lion S.C. Mehta ji of our own district 322B2. He is married to Rashi Mehta, who is a social worker and a stage artist having performed across India. His guiding mantra in life is, serving is the rent that we pay for the space we occupy on this earth. So friends, this was Sekhar Mehta ji before you. Now I will introduce another quoted panelist amongst us, Lion Arvinder Pal Singh. Arvinder Pal Singh, AP as we call him lovingly. Lion AP joined Lionism in 1984 and was elected as the district governor in 2000-2001 and as a council chairman for the multiple district 322 in 2001 and 2. He was elected international director for the years 2004 to 6. He has served as the chairman of various committees in the International Board of Lions. Lion AP introduced the concept of regional institutes in 2001. He has been a faculty member in more than 30 leadership institutes in India, South Asia, Africa, and Middle East countries. He has been instrumental in establishing the Eastern India Lions Leadership Academy, which is a web-based leadership development platform. Lion AP has won various awards and recognition, including the highest recognition in Lions, the Ambassador of Goodwill Award. He has widely traveled across the length and breadth of the globe, attending various international conventions and seminars of Lions. Lion AP is a commerce graduate from St. Xavier's College and a chartered accountant by profession since the last 34 years. Lion AP is a well-known debater in the Calcutta Debating Circle and has won many accolades for his debating skills. Very recently, he has created history by very successfully organizing the first ever virtual multiple district conference, which was attended by 3,000 Lion members online. We welcome you, AP sir. Now, our moderator of the evening, Lion Sangeeta Jatia. Lion Sangeeta Jatia is a Lion member since 1988. She has served as the international director from 2012 to 14. An economics graduate, she has served as a faculty at various leadership institutes, DG and VDG Schooling for India. She was the chairperson for the DG Elect seminar at the 101st International Convention held at Las Vegas in 2018. Lion Sangeeta has served at various positions, which includes the GMT area leader and the International Family and Women Coordinator, a position to enhance women participation worldwide. She has been appointed as the global chairperson for the New Voices in 2018. She has received numerous awards, including the highest award of the association, the Ambassador of Goodwill Award. She has served as the coordinator of the Indian edition of the Lion magazine from 2004 to 2010. She has worked closely with PIT AP Singh in setting up the Eastern India Lions Leadership Academy and also played a key role in organizing the recently concluded first ever virtual multiple conference. Friends, Lion Sangeeta Jatia before you, today's moderator. It's all over to you, Sanjeev Bhaiya.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for a wonderful introduction of all the three, I would say, very coveted personalities. And I am so eager, along with all the Rotarian and the Lion members, to present to all of us this. And I will give the baton over to Sangeeta Madam to take it forward. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much. First of all, a big thank you to Lions Club of Mother Teresa Sarani for giving us this opportunity and for creating this virtual platform so that we all come together. And today is definitely very exciting as we see two stalwarts of Kolkata, two stalwarts who represent two fantastic organizations, the Rotary International and Lions International. And today we get them on a platform. So I'm really excited to start this conversation with them, which was probably long overdue. But then when the right time comes, that is when the time is there. So today we've all gathered here to discuss, chalk out ways maybe, or find the common thread, which I know there are so many. So let's get on with this discussion. I know we have limited time, but we will try and cover as many things as possible. We will discuss our plans, our strategies about both the organizations, and we also will take in questions from those who have joined us today. So if you have any question, feel free to write it in the chat pane and we will follow it there and then we will take it forward. As many questions as possible. Of course, the time is limited. As you know, our speakers have other engagements too. So first of all, Shekharji, congratulations to you. We are so thrilled. city of Kolkata giving an international precedent to Rotary, that is something which we are so proud of. And I know the very first question that comes to everybody's mind is, especially after the introduction Ashish just gave, father a lion, mother a lion. How did you become a Rotarian?
It so happened that before a lion could get me, a Rotarian got me. So he asked me to become a member and I said, okay. And I was pretty young, 25 at that time. So I'd seen a lot of Lionism. My father was extremely active when he was. Mother was active at that time at Lioness Club, not so much at Lions Club. That came much later for her. And my father was very cool about it, and he did not insist that I should join Lions. He said, "ठीक है, Lions में तो मैं हूँ ही." So that's how I joined Rotary.
So that's wonderful. I can well understand. And that is the beauty of this organization. It's all the same. So yes, there you joined Rotary. And we have another panelist over here whose parents, again, whose father, very well known in the community. His community, the Sikh community, I think an icon there. Very involved in the politics of the country. But APJ, you joined Lions. Why? I mean, you could have stayed in the community things, and I know how popular you are there, and your father was so popular. So why did you join Lions?
To be very honest, it wasn't really a matter of choice. I had a good friend of my dad whom I had always called uncle all the years when I was growing up. I was going through my education. And then when I completed and when I qualified as a chartered accountant, he walked in one day and he said, he was the then president of one of our leading clubs in our district in Kolkata, and that was Lions Club of Calcutta North. And he said, "Main club ka president hu, and tumko Lions Club mein join karna hai." And I just nodded my head. I thought, I didn't really understand much. He came in a few days later and he said, "Apko mere ko paise de dena, maine paise jama bhi karaye hain. Maine keh diya hai ki main family ko अच्छे से जानता हूँ. I know these guys. He'll be a good Lion. He'll be a good member." So I just became a member there. But I really became a Lion a few years later, if you distinguish between a member and a Lion, when I started going to the service programs. And that's what really impressed me. Lions serving, volunteers serving hands-on and really doing it selflessly. That's what really turned me into a real Lion. I mean, just from a paying member of a club to the transformation to a Lion. That's when it happened. And that happened a few years later. So I'll keep it brief at this point of time.
Wonderful. So the lesson for us is all the Lions and Rotarians who are on this panel, remember, it is all about asking. You don't have the heart to serve, but whoever asks wins. So that is one theory that I think we all need to learn is if you want a Lion or if you want a Rotarian, just go out and ask them to join us. Probably that is the answer. You don't look at anything else. And that's exactly what you've told us. So, two organizations, Lions, Rotary. Both started in the United States of America in Chicago. Both did not allow women to join in till probably the late 1980s. Both service-oriented, but definitely more businessmen-oriented. So many things are similar. If we look at programs, one followed the other. At times, it was one following it. First, it was Rotary which started, then Lions came up. So it was like following each other. And that is what we've been doing. But somewhere along the line, and that is a question which many of them have put also on the Facebook page where I asked them that anybody has any questions, tell me here, I will ask our panelists. And they asked, why that animosity? Why has always been a clash between the Lions and the Rotary? So Shekharji, do you really feel that there is a perception that there is a clash? Is there actually a clash in our minds also?
So first of all, let me thank everyone for inviting me, especially Sanjeev Sanghi, and even before that, Ashish Jhunjhunwala got in touch with me. Thank you very much. It's indeed a pleasure, absolutely. And let me tell you, I have huge respect for Lions. Tremendous respect. I mean, I see no competition at all. There should be no animosity. There is no reason for animosity. we both are into the business of serving mankind, where the demand is far higher than the supply is. हम दोनों मिलके बहुत कम काम कर पा रहे हैं जितने की जरूरत है यहाँ पर. तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम ही कहाँ है? I mean, there it could accommodate at least 2 more Rotaries and 2 more Lions here. I see no reason, and let me tell you, you'll be very happy. Just last month, the top 4 of these organizations decided to come for a conclave, and Rotary had the privilege of hosting all of them. So your president and the next 2 presidents, the Lions president, the president after him, and myself, and our general secretaries and Kwanis and the 4 organizations. I'm forgetting the 4 times. Giants. No, it wasn't Giants, was it? Okay, Giants. So 4 of us came together and we discussed things that we should do programs and projects together. That was the first step of meeting. I see no reason why we should have even 1% of animosity. Not even 1%. There is no reason to. There could be competition at times. अगर सेवा करने में competition है तो मुझे मंजूर है. अच्छा है ना? जिस आदमी का भला हो रहा है ज़्यादा भला होगा. But it should be a healthy competition, not trying to overdo the other. So that's how I look at it. I see, and मेरे लिए तो I've been brought up in a family of Lions and I work for Rotary. So there is no reason for me to at all have any animosity whatsoever.
Yeah, I'm sure. Maybe it is not in the leadership, but does the membership actually perceive it as competition? APG, what do you feel? Do you perceive that there is a competition there?
I think you've answered the question yourself, Sangeeta, because you said maybe it's not in the leadership. It's not maybe, it's a fact. It's not in the leadership. Because when you come to understand the genesis of your own organization, and when you see almost close to a mirror reflection, not 100% the same, because every organization has its own core competencies and own methodologies of deliveries, which may be slightly different. And that's the way the organization should be in our world today. And when you realize that everybody's working towards that common goal of service, we say we serve, and they say service above, above myself, service above self. And so we're talking of the similar things. We are into this service, humanitarian service club organization. At leadership level, it's just not there. It's purely about collaboration. It's purely about getting the core competencies together. I'm sure if C.K. Prahlad were told to do some kind of a research on the core competencies of humanitarian organizations, he would come up with excellent results and strategies which I think we could use in our organizations. But when you have members down below, and when you have organizations, and when you have clubs, and when everybody's looking for members and looking for members who can really contribute in their own communities, at that point of time, there may be that little bit of a competition. ये एक अच्छे member हैं, ये एक potential member बहुत अच्छे हैं, इनको हम वो Lions चाहते हों कि एक छोटी community है, rural area है, एक कस्बा है, वहाँ के कोई DM हैं, SP हैं, collector हैं कि इनको हम Lions Club में member बनाएं, Rotarians चाहते हैं कि हम उनको Rotary में member बनाएं. I think that's understandable. And that's very, very understandable. Let's not get into that. But that does not create any kind of animosity. That does not create any kind of a conflict. There is no space for conflict. There is no space for animosity. It's purely about getting together and pooling in the core competencies so that we can leverage our output. That's the way I look at it.
Absolutely right. I mean, definitely we say it, but then why did it take so many years and probably a Shekhar Mehta becoming an international president to get us on one platform? I mean, I have been in this city of Kolkata for so many years, but we've done program, but we've never got this together. So why did it happen now? Shekharji, why do you feel? Did it need some push?
कुछ दिन पहले आपने कहा था ना, जो चीज को जब होना होता है तभी होता है. अभी कुछ देर पहले आपने ही कहा, so that's why it's happening. Probably somebody like a Sanjeev Sanghi or and Ashish Jhunjhunwala had to take the lead, and I'm very happy they've done this. Good. And how, I mean, look at Destiny. कुछ दिन पहले ही highest level पे हम मिले, and today we are meeting at the district level also. So that's wonderful. So what does it show? That at the district level, people are interested in meeting the Lions, We have lions from across, I see, not even just here, but South Asia. I find a lot of people from Nepal, etc. There will be some from Pakistan. So we are all, and if you ask most people, I don't think anybody has any animosity. मैंने तो आज तक नहीं सुना कि कभी कोई ये बोल रहा हो कि अरे लायंस, कभी कोई लायंस विल कहीं पे सोचेंगे कि हम जरा सुपीरियर हैं इस काम में, वो सोचेंगे हम सुपीरियर हैं. That's nothing. दो भाई ऐसा सोच लेते हैं, भाई बहन ऐसा सोच लेते हैं, so what's the big deal here? Nothing. I see no animosity, and probably this is a very good step that we are taking. I would always want, हम शायद एक और एक 11 हो सकते हैं. So that's how I look at it.
You're absolutely right. And absolutely right. So you are 1.2 million, here again 1.35 plus. And if today we can use this fantastic network, how do you see, as the incoming president, how do you see yourself using this fantastic network? Can be used to leverage more things happening in this social world?
Absolutely. Sangeeta ji, mera slogan, this is 100th year of Rotary in India, this year itself. And it started in Calcutta. The 4 presidents that we've had from India were all originally from Calcutta.
Wow.
Calcutta में कुछ खास बात तो है. सारे Nobel Prize winners India के Calcutta से हैं. Who knows, Lions का next president यहीं से हो, Calcutta से हो. Who knows that? So yes, let's keep the fingers crossed. So मुझे लगता है there is a lot of work we can do together. हमारे 100 साल पूरे हो गए. So my slogan to the Rotarians is, Rotary is now in the role of nation building. ये छोटे छोटे काम अब हमको शोभा नहीं देते. We want to do things at the national level, things which will change the focus of the country itself. Now it's a big statement to make, but I know what I'm talking. Just 6 days back, we signed an MOU with the government of India, where we have changed. We are in the process of changing the education system in India itself. So we will provide class 1 से लेके 12 तक का total curriculum for the children to study. This curriculum is going to be televised on the 12 channels. तो अभी 2 महीने तक तो बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जाने वाले minimum. Who knows, it may be 3 months, 4 months. So they are going to do their lessons online. And the moment they open the television, they will see the product that Rotary has given to them. So crores of children will be now studying the material that Rotary has supplied to them. Similarly, we have committed to the nation, and we are committing to you also, by 2025, जो हमारी literacy rate 74% पे है, we commit that we will take it to 95% and will make India totally literate. So these are nation building exercises. The government does not have in its policy कि वो 2025 तक में इंडिया को totally literate कर देगी, लेकिन Rotary के इंडिया में है. So अगर हमारा ये power है, और मैं कई बार इस बात को कहता हूँ, AP, how many members do you have in Calcutta or West Bengal, so to say?
In West Bengal?
Yes.
In West Bengal, we'll be around 25,000.
So let me tell you, the CM of West Bengal does not have 25,000 people of this caliber. But you and Sangeeta at your command and at your team have. If she runs the state, why should we not be able to do equal? We may not have that power. Zarurat nahi power. There is no greater power than love. Seva se bada power nahi hai. We can, if our goals are that. And that's where I would want to see Rotary. We have openly said, हमने अभी by chance ये Zoom meetings के अंदर में, we have had series of ministers who have come, 10 of them. The first one was Gajendra Shekhawat. मैंने उनको कहा, हम 10% काम government का करेंगे water और sanitation के क्षेत्र. He was astonished. He said कि in times of pandemic, when people are going back on their words, you are calling me and inviting me and telling that we will do 10% of it. वो 1 लाख check dams करना चाहते हैं next 5 साल में. हमारा promise है हम 10,000 करेंगे. वो 1 लाख वाटर बॉडीज को रेजुविनेट करना चाहते हैं. हमारा ये कहना है कि हम 10,000 करें. एंड आई वुड वांट कि जब 100 साल हो गए और इतने पावरफुल मेंबर्स हैं, हम अपने मेंबर्स का लेवरेज जो करते हैं, प्रॉब्ली नॉट इवन 5%. हम अगर उसे 20% पे ले जाएं, तो वी विल एक्चुअली बी शेपिंग द डेस्टिनी ऑफ द कंट्री इन आवर ओन वे. That's how I look at it. So there is a lot of work we can do together. हम आधा हम कर रहे हैं, आधा आप कर लीजिए, आधा गवर्नमेंट कर रही है। हमने ये लिटरेसी वाले टोटल लिटरेसी के काम में कहा गवर्नमेंट को 27 करोड़ इलिटरेट हैं 5.5 साल के अंदर में, 13.5 करोड़ आप करिएगा, 13.5 करोड़ रोटरी करेगा, हमारे 13.5 करोड़ में आप भी जुड़ जाइएगा, तो 3 करोड़ आप कर लीजिएगा, हम 10 करोड़ कर लेंगे। इट्स ऑल फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी। कहीं आपको जरूरत है कि आपके आई केयर वाले प्रोग्राम के अंदर में आई केयर के नंबर्स और बढ़ाने हैं, तो एक बार जस्ट गिव मी अ कॉल and we will shoot up your numbers in West Bengal itself by 50,000, 60,000 eye surgery. So there is a lot of potential for us to come together.
Right, absolutely. The moment we collaborate and the moment we do things together. So APG, what is your thoughts on how can we build up on this collaboration? Let it not only end with this webinar. How do we take this forward? Any ideas?
First of all, so when we said, and we are very happy about this meeting which is taking place today, we have reason to be happy, but then we cannot forget history, because history is always a great teacher. 1996, when we were passing through a period which was the beginning, kind of very close to the beginning of the revival, the resurgence of the economies in India, that was the time of Harshad Mehta. I mean, the person whom we remembered for some not good reasons, but there was a time when we remembered him for good reasons. At that point of time, we did an event in Kolkata. It was called the Lions Rotary Combine. It was an event that we organized at the Oberoi Grand, 1 full day, having who's who of the Indian economy there, coming and telling us, and the title of the event was, What to Do with Your Money. Everybody was making money, but it was important what to do with your money. We had people telling us about investment in arts. We had people telling us about investment in bullions. We had Mr. Parekh coming and telling us about investment in real estate. And of course, the stocks and the scripts and everything. And at that point of time, also, we said that we should get together. We should collaborate. We should get our strengths together. We should get our members together. And the members should feel more benefited. The members should feel more energized. And after all, we are a volunteer-based service organization. And उसके बाद में ये नहीं है कि Lions and Rotary, I'm sure it happens all over the world, because what my good friend Shekhar just said, getting all the presidents together a few weeks ago, I'm told that on the 1st of January each year, the presidents get together at the Rose Bowl parade, and all the presidents of all these organizations get together and they do exchange, they get together for breakfast, they do exchange ideas, they do exchange thoughts, and they come together. So ये कई एक चीजें streamline हो चुकी हैं, and हमारे organizations के जो heads हैं, they continue to meet regularly. But the point is, हम local domestic level में, country level में भी हम कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा काम करते रहे हैं, and अच्छे काम करते हैं. मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से याद है कितनी बार हम district installations पे जाते हैं, and वहाँ पे we have the local district governor from the Rotary. We have sometimes people from the Rotary who've been high up, coming up and delivering their best wishes and so on and so forth. I have personally gone to some of the Rotary districts in their training programs and everything. We had Shekhar over with us during our Isame Forum at Kolkata. He did that grand job of judging the service bidding contest, and that was a kind of a path-breaking contest. जहाँ पे we had a encouraging prize money of $100,000. तो करीबन 60, उस समय वो 60 लाख रुपए करीबन था, 60 लाख रुपए का हमने सपोर्ट दिया था प्रोजेक्ट्स को, जिसकी जजिंग जो है जिस पैनल ने की थी, 3 लोग थे उस पैनल में, and our good friend Shekhar Mehta was one of them. And then they were going to organize something like that about 3 months ago, and I received a call from Shekhar, and he said, I would like you to come and sit on the panel for the Rotary. So collaboration's there. Collaboration is 100% there. आज हम अगर आई केयर का, जैसे शेखर जी ने बताया, हम आई केयर का काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, आई केयर हमारी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी है. It doesn't mean कि Rotary doesn't work in eye care. Rotary works in eye care. I'm aware of Rotary working in eye care. लेकिन आई केयर, ब्लाइंडनेस प्रिवेंशन, डेफिनेटली लायंस की एक कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी डेवलप हुई है. वैसे ही देयर आर कोर कॉम्पिटेंसीज ऑफ रोटरी. तो जिनमें रोटरी की कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी है, उनमें हो सकता है नेशनल लेवल पे या इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे हमारी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी नहीं हो, लेकिन देयर में बी क्लब्स, देयर में बी नंबर ऑफ क्लब्स हु आर वर्किंग वेरी वेल इन दोस स्ट्रीम्स, एंड वी कैन कम टुगेदर, वी कैन रियली जॉइन फोर्सेस टुगेदर. आई एम अवेयर ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट इन मुंबई which is run by one of our stalwarts in this country, the Lions stalwarts, and unka wo project is more than 30 years old, And Rotary, I'm told, is pumping in about 50 lakhs rupees there for some equipment funding. So that's fine. There is nothing about it. Similarly, there are some Rotary organizations where Lions have also funded, and that is absolutely perfect. First thing is कि एक चीज हाँ ये जरूरी है कि ये काम sporadically होते रहे हैं. These things have happened. First of all, that they have not happened is not correct. But that there is a machinery for it to happen on a regular basis, for people to come together, exchange ideas, have deliberations.
That's my question. I'm sorry. How can we institutionalize it?
Huh? How? That's what I'm saying. We need now to institutionalize it. And in institutionalizing, you definitely need people who believe in this and who are ready to take the first step forward. Now, we have a good friend who knows the genesis of Lions, who's going to be at the helm of affairs of Rotary. We have all of us working for the Lions. And उस चीज में उस तरह की एक institutionalizing की जो शुरुआत नहीं हुई है, वो शुरुआत हो सकती है. Working together की शुरुआत हमेशा से रही है, वो हम करते रहे हैं, collaboration भी रहा है, लेकिन एक institutionalized collaboration वो होना चाहिए. And I think discussions like this can be the stepping stones to that kind of institutionalization.
So Shekharji, can you think or suggest some ways, some platforms where we can come together, where you see that Lions and Rotary can work together? Sure. Do you see it at the district level, club level, or how do you see it?
So, संगीता जी, मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि ऐसी कोई भी मीटिंग हो, वो अगर उस मैटर को आगे न ले जाए तो उस डिस्कशन का फायदा नहीं है.
True.
तो मुझे लगता है इस मैटर को आगे ले जाने के लिए what we could do is at either state level or district level, because districts, you will have more districts than we have. Like you said, you have 25,000 people in West Bengal.
हमारे इंडिया में 75 districts हैं. इंडिया में हमारे districts.
So हमारे उसके आधे हैं, हमारे 38 हैं exactly. So district wise, so either it could be one district is to two districts. That's a way forward. So let us start with where we are, because I am speaking to people who represent Eastern India, not necessarily whole of India. I am ready for all of India. I mean, I can get it. If you want a partnership for all of India, it will be fine.
Shekhar, sorry to bother. The next step could be all India. There's no issue. We've got our past presidents here. It's just a phone call away. If I tell them that now I want you to set up on a Zoom meeting with Shekhar and our past president, that's just a call away. That's just the next step. There is no issue.
Perfect. So let's do that. What we could have is, we could have a steering committee at each of these district level, जहाँ पे कि 5 member Rotary की तरफ से हैं और 5 member Lions की तरफ से हैं. 10 people together, they can, हर project में साथ आने की जरूरत नहीं है. Symbolically शुरुआत करें, साल में हम 5 project साथ में करें, या 10 project हम साथ में करेंगे, या हर महीने एक project साथ में करेंगे. कभी 2 club मिलके कर सकते हैं, कभी 2 district मिलके कर सकते हैं. The modalities can be left to them and they'll work fine absolutely.
Yes, probably. We can start maybe from Calcutta, since both of us are here. Both Absolutely. Of you are here, and probably just take it as a pilot, do it, and then take it forward and replicate it everywhere.
Sure. Now, I will let you know the names of the 5 people by tomorrow.
I suggest we do a pilot for 3 months, and in the 4th month, we should be ready to give that example to the rest of the country. And that's both of us and Sangeeta, and there are others, I'm sure there are others on this meeting who are listening to us also, who are as in similar positions. We just take it to the next level.
Sure. And what better time than July? July is coming. 1 महीने के अंदर में plans बना लें और जुलाई अगस्त से काम करना शुरू कर दें. 3 महीने के बाद में let's go national. I'll be very
fabulous.
Happy.
I think that
I tell you, I totally and only believe in partnerships. मुझे कभी ये लगता ही नहीं है कि हमें कम मिल रहा है, हमें ज्यादा मिल रहा है. It's a partnership where we are trying to do good for humanity. So it doesn't really make a difference. And I would like to tell this right away. हमें वापस ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलेगा. Fellow Rotarians and Lions members, when you are working at the grassroots level, please remember, all of us are trying to do something good. Let's not try to do one-upmanship there. Let's not try to think, अरे Rotary में मालूम है ऐसे होता है, Lions में नहीं होता है. Let not the Lion member think, अरे क्या कर रहे हैं Rotary वाले यार, we do it so well. Both our organizations have our own ethos. Can we marry the 2 ethos? जब शादी होती है तो एक लड़की और एक लड़का अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं और सारी जिंदगी साथ निकाल लेते हैं. It is possible for us if we are ready to leave that thought. मैंने जो चीज शायद आगे आ सकती है उसको I wanted to nip it in the bud itself. That's why I mentioned this. Not on a negative
You're
note,
right.
but on a positive note so that we can take it forward rather than start करें और फिर कहीं अटके. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. That's exactly.
Absolutely, we will take it forward and as you know, एक हर चीज का एक सबब बनना चाहिए. एक you know,
I have a tagline here.
Sure.
I have a tagline here.
Sure.
In the era of social distancing, two social organizations come together. I think that would be
Wonderful.
fantastic.
Very nice. Very nice.
So
I
let's
have a suggestion
move
here.
ahead that way.
And I have a suggestion here. ये पहला project जो हम लें, as a great mark of respect to two of our great lions who are parents of Shekhar. And we know that his mother is so involved in a project which she does on an annual basis for the physically challenged. वो उन physically challenged का mobility का काम इतना करते हैं and वो बहुत हर साल last 10 सालों से उससे ज़्यादा से हम देख रहे हैं. तो पहला project जो है हम उसी में लेंगे as a mark of respect to your father whom we lost, you know, you lost very recently, and to your mark of respect to your mother. I think the two organizations coming together, it should be with total goodwill. It should be with an open heart. There should be total acceptance, and it should be with a mindset which is mind is totally open. We are going to carve out a new era with new challenges. What we are, but then we will create new opportunities. जो हम कहते हैं, ये वो creation of a new opportunity होगी.
Fabulous.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much for that thought and gesture. I'm beholden to you. Nice thought. I cannot say no to it. ये आपने ऐसा एक सेंटिमेंट डाल दिया कि इस पहले वाले में तो एटलीस्ट कहीं कोई कुछ बात होनी ही नहीं है किसी की.
सर बात हुई है.
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी.
ज्यादा सिंसियरिटी से और इतने मन से होनी चाहिए. कि मैं तो उसमें मानता हूँ, हम सभी मानते हैं. You know, we in this part, we've been brought up in this kind of you know, in this with our mindsets that we believed in the positive vibes. इसमें positive vibes इतने आएंगे, ये चीज आगे चलेगी.
Sure.
Absolutely.
I'm very happy.
And I see on the chat pane, there are so many ideas coming up. Everybody has got an idea, and I know we'll have hundreds of ideas. So Shekharji, my next question is, can we have a platform where we can share best ideas? I mean, you know, you had a fantastic idea about the heart operations. We stole that idea, and maybe not in such a big way. We've done it in a small way, but we are doing it. I had promised I won't speak on behalf of the Lions. I'm sorry. So the Lions did it. So here,
good.
Can we?
You can. Why not?
It has to be neutral.
नहीं जी, you can be. कोई हर्जा नहीं है. Why not? You are such a dedicated lion. वो तो आएगा. Lionism will come out naturally.
So can we collaborate? Can we have some kind of a conclave where we can share ideas? You know,
sure.
Projects are fine.
कब करना है, कहाँ करना है, ये बताइए.
Virtual platform is the best.
Oh, super idea. Absolutely.
आज के दिन it's so easy. Virtual platform.
Yes.
और आज के दिन it is acceptable. And उसमें करने में getting the best minds is easier. Otherwise आपको दो बंदों को बुलाना पड़े, उसमें जान निकलती है. यहाँ पर you can get the best minds. You know, just get the times aligned and move forward. I think we can talk and take it forward.
So what I'll do is I'll tell, we have very recently just started 8 verticals, 8 areas of service. Actually 7 areas of service. The 8th is CSR. So we have a Rotary India literacy mission, Rotary India water mission, Rotary India sanitation mission, health curative, health preventive, environment and disaster management. And the 8th is CSR. What I can do is at the next meeting, each of these could in 5 to 7 minutes present what they are doing or what they can do at the conclave whenever we have. On the other hand, Lions can mention what are the things that they are doing. And then we can find what are the areas where we can work together.
So
conclave से आगे कुछ रास्ता निकलना चाहिए काम करने का साथ में, तब तो conclave का फायदा है.
Right. We'll settle a date for that. Not in too distant future, within the next 2 to 4 weeks, because we need to prepare, you and we all need to prepare, get the people there. So within the next 4 weeks, I think we set the date, Sangeeta, if you agree, and then we should take it forward. इसको 4 weeks से ज़्यादा आगे करेंगे तो then इसका steam निकल जाएगा. We'll lose the steam out of this discussion.
Absolutely, and I think we should do it in the month of July when all the new governors have taken charge at your end, at our end, and they are brimming with wanting to do things. So you would want to do it nationally, you would want to do it locally.
We will work it out. As you want to say that nationally we can now, we'll
I would love if it is nationally, because then it means it's better if we do it nationally.
Okay.
But I leave the rest.
We'll work it out. We will work it out.
Even do it if it's virtual, international is also possible. So I mean, I'm sure we can do that too, right? Absolutely. So that's the conclave of ideas. We're starting working together. And as we see, there are a lot of people wanting to asking questions. So one question which I am kind of really want to ask you, Shekharji, is businessmen's organization, Rotary and Lions. Is it still a businessman's organization, or how are women in your organization? This is something which always plays. So if you could share that with us here.
So let me tell you, when I'm the president of the organization, my board will have more women than men on the board of Rotary International.
Congratulations.
Yes, there will be 9 women and 8 men. So, and ये एक benchmark कर दिया गया है कि the leadership positions के अंदर में 40% will go to women. We have to consciously keep that in mind. Consciously keep that in mind. And in a way, it's good. ये 5 साल तक रहना चाहिए, उसके बाद में नहीं रहना चाहिए. Just as reservations, for example, if these are reservations for women, okay, they did not have the advantage. We had the advantage of for 80 years, we were in this organization. The women are here in this organization only for 30 years. तो भाई 5 साल उनको दीजिए, इतना आगे लाइए कि फिर membership बढ़ जाए. हमारी membership of women is approximately 20%. And we want to increase it. We want to take it to at least 40%. That's going to take a little time. But what will happen is, if women come into leadership positions, and they come not because of their gender, they come because of their caliber. I am a huge believer कि एक काम एक आदमी और एक औरत को दे दिया जाए, तो औरत उसको कहीं ज़्यादा sincerely करती है than the man.
Excellent.
I sincerely believe it, and I always say this. So they should come up. We should give them opportunities of coming up. I only wish and hope थोड़े ही दिन के अंदर में, probably at the highest level, you have not had a woman president. None of these 4 organizations.
Woman president.
Internationally.
A woman president last year. And
wonderful.
We also have a vice president who's a woman. Already.
I saw that. I saw that on it. Oh, wonderful.
That's making, and one already just last year. So
oh, great.
Moved ahead, and that's good. That's good.
That's very nice.
And the women membership, of course, we ask this because we have to get out of these gender biases also.
Absolutely. मुझे लगता है 5 साल बाद हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि भाई वुमन को वुमन होने के कारण पोजीशन देने की जरूरत पड़े. 5 years is enough for anything. Give them enough time to वो जो handicap है उसको cover up कर लेने के लिए. Give them opportunities during those 5 years. Thereafter we are equals.
Right. Absolutely. Now, the one question which is coming up in the chat pane very often is, what are both the organizations doing for this pandemic and how to overcome it? Is there something specific if we get together, can we do where the governments are failing? So is there anything that you feel that Lions and Rotary can do together?
You see, I am amazed at the work that the Rotarians have been able to do during this pandemic. और एक बात तो है कि this government fortunately hasn't failed according to me. The way it has handled. आज अगर हम world over के सारे सिर्फ चाइना को छोड़ दें और बाकी सारे countries के figures ले लें, तो वहां सारे countries को मिला के जितनी deaths हुई हैं या जितने cases हुए उतने इंडिया में नहीं हुए हैं, जबकि population दोनों की बराबर है. All countries, the top 6-7 countries you put together, their population is equal to the population of India, and the cases probably are 2 times, 3 times. मुझे अभी figure exactly याद नहीं है. हमने सोचा था कि हम पहली बार PM CARES Fund, I found the PM to be taking the right steps. अभी जो हो रहा है कि बढ़ रहा है, वो बढ़ना है. For a population like India, it is unfortunately कि बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन for a population of India, इतना तो बढ़ेगा. I hope soon we come to a plateau and then we come downwards. Hopefully everybody is keeping their fingers crossed. Nobody knows what's happening, but Rotarians have risen to the occasion. मैंने सोचा था हम 5 करोड़ रुपया देंगे PM CARES Fund को. जब हमारे सीनियर लीडर्स की बात हुई, मैं नॉर्मली आई एम द गाय हु टेल्स बिग फिगर्स एटसेट्रा, बट दैट डे आई वाज शोन दैट आई एम थिंकिंग वेरी स्मॉल. दे टुक द फिगर टू 25 crores, but we had not measured the Rotarians ka will to give. They ended up giving 105 crores to the PM Cares Fund and 90 crores worth of project on grassroots level. Just yesterday, पंजाब में उन्होंने वहां के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर को दिया 76 lakhs rupees के various equipments to the government, etc. Just one district or one club, probably, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. I think it was a club or a district they have given. So they've done some outstanding work at the grassroots level. एक आप लोग सबको बता दूं, फिर भूल न जाऊं, 28th of June, we are having the mother of all PR activities that we may have done. So Sangeeta ji, आपका नंबर नहीं है, मैं ले लूंगा किसी से. I'll just share the clippings of what is coming up. It's an event we are doing with Wizcraft, a 3-hour event on colors and with repeat shows, total में 18 hours. It's on all social platforms. The who's who of the Bollywood industry will be coming just to support the work of Rotary in COVID, especially COVID and children. The other program, heart surgeries. Children के लिए एक आशा किरण बोल के हमारा प्रोग्राम है, जहां हम बच्चों को स्कूल भेजते हैं, जो स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट चिल्ड्रन है, sending them back to school. It's very tough. ये जो बेगर के बच्चे हैं, सेक्स वर्कर्स के बच्चे हैं, माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स के बच्चे हैं, for whom it's extremely difficult, उनको स्कूल भेजना. कभी गुरुसदय मोड़ पे, गुरुसदय स्ट्रीट के मोड़ पे वो बच्चे आके नॉक करते हैं ना अपनी गाड़ी के ऊपर में दरवाजा पेन पे, विंडो पेन पे, कभी उसको भेजने का ट्राई करें हम स्कूल, तो समझ आए how difficult it is to send one child back to school. Such children. So these are the children we are sending. उनके लिए we are doing this fundraiser called Choti Si Asha. I will request all Lions people, do come there, and for once donate generously to a cause that is being taken ahead by Rotarians. और वहां mention करिएगा Lion. And next time you do it, I will take the lead in putting Rotarian and putting money there.
I'm sure. The moment we start collaborating, that's the beauty, and you will see the results.
तो आपने पूछा, मैंने ये बताया क्या काम हो गया, क्या काम हम कर सकते हैं. मुझे लगता है एडुकेशन इज वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फील्ड जहां हम कर सकते हैं. फॉर्चुनेटली हम वहां पर स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं. बाकी मुझे सिवाय अब वेरी फ्रैंकली अब सिवाय लोगों को अवेयर करने के मुझे और कुछ नहीं लग रहा है कि हमें कर लेने की जरूरत है. बिकॉज जो कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करनी थी कंट्री को, वो कर ली गई है. जो हमें देना था, अगर पीपीई इक्विपमेंट सेट्स देने हैं वो दे दिए, वेंटिलेटर्स देने थे वो दे दिए, बेड्स लगा लें, बेड्स गवर्नमेंट ने इनफ लगा लिए हैं, टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटी हो गई है, एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग. जो माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स थे वो चले गए हैं, थोड़ी दिक्कत हुई उनको जाने में, वहां पे भी हमने हेल्प किया. आई एम श्योर लायंस हैव डन इक्वली जस्ट द सेम. खाना खिलाया है, इक्विपमेंट्स दिए हैं, सारे काम लायंस ने भी किए हैं. अगर आपके जहन में कुछ है कि ये करने की जरूरत है, वी विल ओनली बी टू हैप्पी टू हेल्प and collaborate.
Sure. AP, your thoughts on this? What can we do now with this pandemic situation?
Thank you for that opportunity. Okay, so you see, as far as working is concerned, देखिए कि any individual जब वो Lions या Rotary हमारे जैसी कोई भी organization को join करता है, and when that person invests his time, his energy, and really becomes a very genuine and a sincere member of an organization like ours, it is but natural that as a pandemic, as a tragic moments mein, that individual wants to really come out and contribute and be very, very supportive. There is no doubt about it. And in that respect, with all due regard to the Rotarians and all organizations, मैं कहता हूँ आज हम लोग Lions and Rotary की यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं, पर आज हिंदुस्तान में और जितने भी और social organizations हैं, सबों ने काम किया है. And Lions also came out, and very, very rightly so, and they have come out and they really worked. And what you said, your example about contribution to the PM Cares Fund and the chief ministers and the various relief funds and the total funding for the service programs, मेरे पास आज का एकदम ready figure तो नहीं है, लेकिन about a month ago we started talking के एक हम drive करें all India level में ये रुपया इकट्ठा करने के लिए. And exactly as you said, 5 करोड़ का, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि कम से कम 10 करोड़ का तो टारगेट होना चाहिए. I was talking to our past president Naresh Agarwal ji. I said उतना तो पैसा जरूर होना चाहिए जब अगर हम ऑल इंडिया लेवल की बात करें उससे छोटी बात तो नहीं होनी चाहिए. And he also said कि हाँ उतना तो होना चाहिए और आगे बढ़ के काम करते हैं. And तकरीबन 1 महीना पहले जब हमने हमारे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर के साथ में एक मीटिंग की, उस दिन 1 महीना पहले ही हमारा टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन इन कैश in excess of 25 crores पहुंच चुका था. And in total contribution in terms of the service programs and projects all over the country, I mean it was definitely more than 100 crore of rupees. हमारे ईस्टर्न इंडिया में, कलकत्ते में, आसपास के एरियाज में लायंस ने, हमारी क्लब्स ने, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ने, लायन लीडर्स ने जो काम किया है, फैंटास्टिक. एंड इट्स बीन देयर अक्रॉस द एंटायर कंट्री. कहीं हो सकता है थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, कहीं थोड़ा सा कम, लेकिन दैट पार्टिसिपेशन हैज बीन 100% एंड लोगों ने मन से काम किया है. We almost came to a stage, to be very honest, although I don't know, you didn't mention it, that we had to call up some of our friends and say कि इतना ज्यादा काम कर रहे हो, you need to exercise restraint. तो वो हमको कहते थे, what do you mean by exercise restraint? ऐसे खुद उतना ज्यादा बाहर मत जाओ. हमारी delivery systems change करने पड़ेंगे. आज तक क्या है, Lions have been known and similarly Rotarians have been known for hands-on work. Hands-on work हमारी पहचान है. वो हमारी basic, हमारी DNA है. Hands-on service activities are our DNA. तो उस DNA को लेकर के people were going out hands-on work and they were going out with all their heart. And they were going out as a part what they thought is their responsibility as good Lions, as good citizens, as responsible citizens of the country. वो सब कर रहे थे. And हमको कईयों को, many of them we had to write on the Facebook, we had to write in WhatsApp groups, we had to call many of them and said जरूर करो, but we need to change our delivery systems. Because देखिए ये सब changes में तो थोड़ा समय लगता है. These are important changes, but we had to do that. But there were people who were basically, now where I'm getting it, were basically almost knowingly risking their own lives in going out, in serving in those initial days. और ये थोड़ा सा हम आज तक इसको बंद नहीं करा सके हैं. Even
I was
yesterday हम बंद नहीं करा सके हैं, लेकिन हमने रैशनलाइज कराया है. बंद हम नहीं करा सके हैं क्योंकि जिनको अभी भी लगता है वो जाते हैं, खुद को रिस्क पे भी लाके काम करते हैं. एंड मेरे वो दोस्त शायद यहाँ सुन भी रहे होंगे. एंड मैं उनसे आज सवेरे भी कईयों से बात किया. मैंने बोला हाथ जोड़ता हूँ, चेंज योर डिलीवरी स्टाइल. देयर आर सम ऑफ देम हु आर रियली वेरी एक्टिव बट दे आर डूइंग इट, बट वी नीड टू डू इट. सो लायंस ने ये काम बहुत गजब का किया है. अब अगर जो काम हमको जो नेक्स्ट लेवल पे करना है, वो नेक्स्ट लेवल का काम होना चाहिए is about spreading awareness of understanding कि हमारे लाइफस्टाइल में चेंजेस कैसे आने चाहिए. हम खुद थोड़े एजुकेटेड हैं, ज्यादा अवेयर हैं. मैं नहीं कहता दूसरे लोगों से ज्यादा अवेयर हैं, लेकिन शायद लायंस एंड रोटरी में एक सोशल अवेयरनेस थोड़ी सी ज्यादा होती है. तो उसको लेकर के हम जो हैं, हो सकता है हम ज्यादा बेटर समझ जाएं कि हमें हमारे लाइफस्टाइल में चेंजेस कैसे करने चाहिए. हर लायन मेंबर को, हर रोटेरियन को ये जिम्मेवारी लेनी चाहिए कि मेरे संपर्क में, मेरे कांटेक्ट में जितने भी लोग आते हैं, अगर वो अपने लाइफस्टाइल में उस तरह से चेंजेस नहीं कर रहे हैं, not only social distancing, about going out, about getting things from outside, about exposing themselves, about exposing their own family members, about exposing their staff. Very important.
You're talking about educating. You're talking about educating and how do we can take this forward.
It's a lifestyle change. About educating about a lifestyle change. We should take that role. We can be catalysts. हमारी जो संख्या है, we need to be catalysts in first becoming a role model. कि मैं अगर हूँ, I run, I have a home and I have an office. I believe that I am at risk. I don't go out. How much do I expose my staff to that risk? I should not expose my staff to the risks, which I believe is risky for me as well. जब ये thinking आ जाएगी, and इस thinking से हम काम करने लगेंगे, and इस thinking को हम आगे convey कर सकेंगे, I think that is what the country really needs. Our communities need it, our country needs it, the world needs it, humanity needs it. I think that is the way we really need to spread out, because अब ये जिस level पे इंडिया में पहुंच गया है, अब पैसा तो जो लोगों ने देना था वो दे रहे हैं, पहले भी देते हैं और देते भी रहेंगे. सर्विस प्रोग्राम्स एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स जो है, PPE kits, medical kits, खाना देना, all of that is happening and it is happening in millions. हमारी ईस्टर्न इंडिया का figure is more than 3 million meals served, and this figure is about 3 weeks old. 3 million meals served in East India alone. So I think we need to work, एंड ये एजुकेशन लाइफस्टाइल चेंज की बात जो हम ला सकें, दैट Yes, Sangeeta, you want to say something?
Yes, I said here because I can see Sanjeev and we are moving almost to the end and we have a lot of questions to take up. So there are a number of things that we need to also talk about. So Sanjeev, I know you have a few questions there. So would you like to come up and discuss when it's coming on the chat pane?
Sure. One of the question is, raised by Alok ji about media, like both the organizations are doing wonderful work. We both really need media coverage in papers. Most important is also let the general population of the country know and see what both organizations are doing. Awareness of work being done needs to be showcased. So how are we taking this up to media is, how both Lions and Rotary can, work together so that we can have massive awareness across the media.
So yes, that's a very good point. And I think something that we need to tell the world that we are the same. So probably if the two organizations could come together.
एक चीज हमको समझनी पड़ेगी कि हम जो काम करते हैं, that does not really necessarily qualify to be saleable news by the media at all times. Media wants a lot of controversy, media wants a lot of negativity. वो चीजें बिकती हैं, उस चीज में लोगों की रुचि होती है. आज आप पेपर उठा के देखिए किसने क्या अच्छा काम किया. आज आप फॉर इंडिया टुडे मैं वॉच करता हूं, वो 1 घंटे के न्यूज में राजदीप सरदेसाई लास्ट 1.5 मिनट में बोलता है नाउ सम गुड न्यूज. Look at it, what our sentiments have come to, and I don't blame him. At least वो 1.5-2 मिनट के लिए good news दे रहा है. 58 मिनट negative and something that can depress us वो देने के बाद में at least 2 मिनट में now some good news वो दे रहा है. Other channels में वो भी नहीं आ रहा है. So हम जो काम करते हैं, we have to be really, we have to do some excellent media management. We have to find our ways. We have to be able to move. We have to be able to penetrate with the media. I do understand Lions and Rotarians have always wanted media exposure because we believe हम इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं and media को इससे और ज़्यादा expose करना चाहिए. But ये challenges हमेशा से रहे हैं और आगे भी रहेंगे. लेकिन definitely if the two organizations come together, तो शायद हो सकता है media exposure हम better कर सकें.
So I think Sangeeta ji, the major thing which I think most of us are asking is what are those key areas? Like if we can just sum up the whole thing of identifying top 3 or top 5 key areas where we can work together, and what are the top action plans like both Shekhar ji and AP sir can talk about the top 5 actions or top 3 actions so that we can sum up this meeting with a great thought of the key areas and the action we are going to take on the synergy to serve.
Absolutely. I think this has stirred a lot of excitement and it has also got us to synergize. Absolutely. So like Shekhar ji told us, we will find out a common program that we're going to be taking up, which we will start in the month of July in the city of Kolkata as our pilot program, and then take it forward and try and replicate it in other areas. And as you will see on the chat pane, right from London to Pakistan to Sri Lanka to Nepal, people are saying even we can do it at our level. So if they can do it, we can start, and I'm sure many are already doing it. Some of them are writing that we are already doing it also. So probably we can learn from them and we do that. The second thing that we spoke about was a platform where we can all share our best practices. So we will not limit it to, Rotary and Lions come together, maybe the world over, we get the best projects, we showcase it, and we kind of have an exhibition, would you say, like I think AP is very fond of this word, Amazon of services, that we can put up, actually, really do it virtually, Amazon of services, as many projects that we can get, ideas for service. Another thing, maybe ideas for fundraising also. So if Shekhar ji would, we could have 2 verticals, talk about service projects, also talk about ways of fundraising. We can also take that ahead. So we could do
conclave of ideas जो है उसमें सारी चीजें लानी चाहिए. शेखर जी का व्यू लेते हैं.
Right. What is your...
Shekhar, speak.
So what I would say is, you want, Sangeeta ji ने already बताया, if you want them numbered, the first is we will have a steering committee to take the matters forward immediately. हम 5 people from West Bengal and 5 people, from Lions and 5 people from Rotary can form the steering committee, and we will have these at the past governor level probably. So it becomes easy for them to coordinate. So that's one. Secondly, The areas where we could work could be water, sanitation, health, literacy, disaster management, environment, etc. Anything under the sun जिससे दूसरों का भला हो सके, that's the idea. So wherever we can find synergy will come there. Third, conclave की बात already हो चुकी है. So पहली मीटिंग के अंदर में इतना कुछ डिसाइड हो गया, ये तो बहुत है संजीव. You should be a very happy man.
विकास जी, एक चीज मेरा रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा, since I am using this,
बोलो ना.
I would like to take up a computer literacy as a project for both the organization, because I feel computer literacy is something which is really a demand for today. If you talk about current pandemic situation, the people who were computer literate were able to survive. People were able to get the work done, have people employed and running their business. So how can we take up computer literacy as a joint project for both the organizations? Something which I will request both of you to take it.
Sure. So what we will do is, let's not take the call now. This is probably not the time, but this will be one of the agenda items. So I'm writing computer literacy also. This will be on the agenda for that steering committee to take a call. Okay. Your point is well taken. I agree. We have to learn from the pandemic, and this is definitely, agar people who are more equipped, घर बैठ के काम कर सक रहे हैं, work from home is going to be the order of the day probably. A lot of new things are happening. आज सुबह की बात बताता हूँ, एक how this pandemic is changing things. ये क्लब लास्ट 30 साल से एक बड़े रूप में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए पेंटिंग कंपटीशन करता है. नो बिग डील. एक पेंटिंग कंपटीशन करते करते 6000 बच्चे आने लगे. इस बार उनको ऑनलाइन करना पड़ा, तो आज 22 देशों से, 5 कॉन्टिनेंट से उनके पास 12000 बच्चे आए, जो कि वो फिजिकली कभी सोच ही नहीं सकते थे. कहां से 22 देशों से आएंगे? सो पीपल विल हैव टू बिकम वेरी टेक savvy धीरे धीरे. एंड कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी, आई एग्री टोटली. आई एब्सोल्युटली एग्री.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So I think in this age, we'll all have to get innovative. We have to get creative and use the technological skills of this millennial generation, which is working with us. So thank you so much. And we can go on. I mean, there'll be so many areas of collaboration. Time has its limitations, and we are at the end of our 1 hour that we had for these discussions.
Sorry for interruption. Can we have a conclusive remarks from both the...
Absolutely. So we will go now. So AP, before we ask Shekhar ji, would you like to say the concluding remarks for this very session?
If you ask me, concluding remarks are that this can be a wonderful stepping stone. We have sown some seeds today. Our prayers and our actions should show that the future we have a good fruits coming out of this. And just as we started by saying that everything must have a right time. There's the right time when an idea, there's the right time when an idea really, germinates into something that we execute. This is something that should have happened, but then this is the right time to do it. So I think a lot of good discussions, and the best part of the story today has been that we have at least few things which are important to do things, and which we will take it up immediately. So I really look forward to it, and I really look forward to working with my friends. And I think in our part of the world, across the world, this could be a very path-breaking. This could be a path-breaking initiative. I really am. I'm excited about it. Thank you.
Shekhar ji, final words are yours.
So the seeds that you were telling about, sowing the seeds, उसको trust, faith और cooperation से और संभाल के जतन करके उसे बड़ा करना पड़ेगा, so that the fruits can be borne by the people of our communities. I am so thankful that you've called this meeting. I would like to again thank the Mother Teresa Sarani, Lions Club of Mother Teresa Sarani. Thank you very much. Ashish Jhunjhunwala got in touch with my mother. Mother said, "Ab maa ka hukum hai to na ka sawal hi nahi uthta tha." So I said, yes, we'll go ahead. And then I said, why not have AP also? Rather than only me talking, why don't we have a discussion? AP is a friend. So then आपने उसके अंदर में और 4 चांद लगा दिए कि संगीता जी भी आ गई उसके अंदर में. I think it's an excellent beginning. और मैंने कहा ना, कुछ बात है कलकत्ता के पानी में. ये जो हमारी जॉइंट शुरुआत होनी है, शायद ये कलकत्ता से ही होनी थी. So good, well done. Thank you, Lions, for inviting me and taking this initiative. The next time we will host the meeting, it'll be absolutely our privilege and a pleasure, absolutely. I think we have covered a lot of ground on the very first meeting. We are ready to take the next step. हम projects करने के लिए तैयार हैं. एक conclave की बात already हमने कर ली है 1 महीने के अंदर में, जहाँ पे कि हम hopefully India level तक भी इस matter को ले जा सकते हैं. And I'm sure जैसे ही यहाँ शुरू होगा, I'm sure it will go to South Asia very fast. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, they are quite the same as India is. So I'm sure यहाँ का cooperation होते ही वहाँ पे भी cooperation होने लग जाए.
I was told there are
Thank you very much, Sangeeta ji.
I'm told there are some Lions from Nigeria here. They are very excited. So, great. You never know.
Absolutely, why not? And thank you, AP, and thank you everyone for inviting all of us. There are a lot of Rotarians also. And thank you for everyone. It's been a pleasure, absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And Shekharji, as you go and take the helm, on the helm of affairs in Rotary, anytime you need anything from Kolkata, you have the full band of Lions right behind you also. We are as proud of you as any of the Rotarians would be. So you are part of our family.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much. And Sanjeev, Ashish, and Mother Teresa Sarani, thank you for this opportunity. We've thoroughly enjoyed it.
एक parting note बताता हूँ.
हाँ जी.
Her Rotarians should try and send their children to Lions probably, and all Lions should send their children to Rotarians. That is the seed. That is the seed. There is no animosity, and I'm the example of that.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So I hand it over to Sanjeev, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta ma'am, for a wonderful moderation with the 2 panelists. I'm really thankful. I just want to have a special mention of Rajkumar ji, who has actually initiated the idea and actually, requested Ashish to connect with Shekhar ji. I just wanted to mention that. Thank you so much to all of you and to all the participants. We have this recording done. We have touched over 600 participants today. And now I request the Secretary of Lions Club, Roshan Bajaj, to please offer a formal vote of thanks.
So a lot of Lions Rotary examples are coming on the chat page.
Yes, we can see.
Yes, Roshan, go ahead.
Yeah, after having witnessed this session, the only word that struck my mind is unprecedented. An unprecedented synergy between the mottos of service before self and we serve. An unprecedented panel of speakers comprising of the stalwarts like Mr. Shekhar Mehta and Mr. A.P. Singh. An unprecedented moderator in Miss Sangeeta Jatia, and an unprecedented gathering of more than 500 people. Well, I deem it an honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable day, the day which marks the coming together of the flag bearers of the 2 largest international service organizations. First and foremost, I would like to thank our special guest, Mr. Shekhar Mehta, International President 2021-22, Rotary International, Mr. A.P. Singh ji, International President, past International President, Lions International, and Miss Sangeeta Jatia, past International Director, Lions International, who despite their busy schedules have taken out time to grace this occasion. Your insightful deliberation and smooth moderation has set a new benchmark for the future leaders, and perhaps it will create a positive environment for synergizing the best to optimize services to society at large. We are grateful to the valued representatives of the district cabinet, present and past, our fellow clubs, and all the participants for attending this webinar and encouraging us to conduct such seminars in future as well. We should all appreciate that no program can be shaped and be made successful without an effective idea, robust planning, and dedicated effort. In this regard, we extend our heartiest thanks to Lion Rajkumar Ji Agarwal for seeding the idea of organizing such a webinar, and most importantly, Lion Vallabhji Mehta for connecting us to Mr. Shekhar Mehta. I also salute the whole team of Lions MTS in making this webinar a grand success. To end this session on an inspiring note, I would like to leave you this quote by none other than Mother Teresa. At the end of life, we will not judge by how many diplomas we have received, how much money we have made, how many great things we have done. We will be judged by, I was hungry and you gave me something to eat. I was naked and you clothed me. I was homeless and you took me in. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Roshan. Thank you all so much. And I know there will be small little mistakes which had happened, but we request all of you to pardon us. But we'll try to give more and more better experience in future, and we'll come back with more such webinars in future. Thank you, AP sir, Sangeeta ma'am, and Shekhar ji for a wonderful derivation. Thank you all. We'll end up the meeting.
See you. Bye bye, everyone.
So we request all the three panelists to first exit.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone.
We request all the three panelists to please exit before we exit.